Okay. Mr. Skittles here and Earl. Okay, we're camping, right, in Yosemite. Summer. And it's snowing. And we got a ghetto... Oh, look, it's my water bottle. Ghetto-fied sled. And it's a beer thing. You're going to crash into that rock. Go. Oh, I just stepped through soft snow.
I think we should find a better hill that doesn't lead into rocks.
That one goes into a tree. Whoa, dang. Slide down here.
My butt's very... It works.
My turn.
Yeah.
Trade. Here. Oh. Okay, here. Whoa.
Okay. Now it's my nation.
Mr. Skittles.
Mr. That's you, I'm so.
Okay. Whoa.
She could do this.
It's
Ready?
wet.
I know. She's making a snow angel.
It's in my shoe everywhere. That doesn't look like one.
Wait, my turn again. Okay.
Ow! It's cold. Once is out dirty. Okay.
It ripped.
I just fell.
My sled broke.
Well, we could slide on our butts too.
Should I go get the Capri Sun box again?
Ready? Ready?
I'm gonna go grab that, okay?
Ow! I think it went up my pants.
You can actually use this still.
Ow, ow. It's in my glove, it is cold.
Keep
Ow.
that still.